Hello there. Today we're going to enhance this piece. Let's see what we can do. This is called palette paper. I'm going to put my paints in here. And I'm using the Quart Americana paints because I painted this with the Quart paints. Okay, so I'm going to put a rock in here. That's why this is making that movement, because there's a rock in there. And I'm going to start with a palette 9 and put the base of that rock with black. And then I'm going to put some more in here. A smaller one in here. Let's see. Let's put some of the burnt umber. Now let's slide the white. Number white, just using a palette knife. Easy rocks. Now I want to put some of the green, also of the green on top of that rock. I mean blue. That was too much. Let's put some of the black on. I'm mixing the blue with the white. Okay, so highlight. Okay, let's leave them like that. Okay, so let's dry this with a hair dryer, and when we return we're gonna put some birds. My rocks are not straight, so I'm just gonna make them straight. Okay, so those are my rocks, and let's do some birds. So now we have to paint some seagulls, and these are a few examples of seagulls that you can paint, and you just need black, white, burnt umber, and some blue to paint these. Waiting until my rocks dry in order to paint the seagulls, but I want to see more of the yellow. So I'm gonna put a tiny bit of the Hansa yellow light and the color on my brush. Let's see. Just tinting this so that it's more. I don't want it to go into the blue, only on the yellow area. Seagulls are very far away, so I'm not gonna put too much work on them. Let's start with black and make a shape. Then we can put some white at the top. Probably easier this way. So I'm gonna clean the brush, and I'm gonna put some of the turquoise plus white and put some accent of blue. Can hardly see. There. Okay, this. Gonna put the black again to make sure I can see. Okay, I think that's enough for one. You can even put some very far away and just do like that. Very tiny. So let me do that again. So just put I think he or she can have some white on the head. So I'm doing another one in here, and this is the black. Let's put the body. Let's straighten that. I don't want it, I want it straight. This line, I want it straight. Okay, so let's put some white. Okay, let's put even more white. Okay, so I'm gonna put more, but they're gonna be smaller. Maybe let's put some blue on this one since it is so big. Okay, so now I think I overdid the blue, so let's take some off. When I see the black and I don't see it, so let's put the black. I'm gonna take black and just do tiny ones. Before I go, now that it has dried a tiny bit, I can go back and put some highlights. Grab some of the yellow mistakenly. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're like me, you can be playing all day. And I've been looking at it, and I think there has a small island in there that I have to paint. I'm just gonna put the brown and the black. Just a tiny bit of white. Now this one is not gonna get any of the blue, because this is the water and this is an island there. Okay, that's it. Thank you for joining me one more time. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.